Oh, you know what? His name is on your face. Turn to the side. Let me see what it
No,
says.
it's not.
Cody.
Not any more tattoos
Is
on
that
your
his
face,
name?
okay?
No, that's not his name.
And don't get involved with anybody who
Pause for a second. Did you catch that? The judge just gave some life advice. Never tattoo someone's name on your face. Honestly, courtroom wisdom meets relationship counseling right there. What do you think? Good rule of life or over the top?
wants you to put their name on your face.
If everyone could
You
please
understand?
whisper, please.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
All right. Officer Avina, if you can unmute, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi, thank you so much for zooming in. I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am, of course.
All right. So before me is Haley Moy. And my understanding, you all had difficulty contacting her? Or basically you had no contact with her?
So on her initial reporting for orientation date, she did not report. However, on the 2nd of January, I was able to make contact with her and conduct her orientation.
All right. When is
to go
her?
over her condition.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
On the 2nd of January, I did conduct her orientation for conditions of bond.
All right. So when's the last time?
Here's a key moment. The judge orders outpatient treatment and even waives fees. That's rare. Normally, the financial burden falls on the defendant. Quick question for you. Should court step in to make rehab more accessible, or does that give defendants a free pass?
Time you had contact with her? Was it the 2nd of January?
No, ma'am. So on the 1st of February, I had contact with her and she informed me she's on bed rest. However, we've never received any documentation.
All right. So I'm going to give her a deadline to give you all documentation. And I am going to want her in outpatient treatment. And if you could waive the fees for that, because she tested positive in court today.
Okay. Yes,
So
ma'am.
when are you going to have the documentation?
Yeah, I have an appointment next Wednesday with my doctor, and that's when I can get her handwritten. But right now, I'm just getting it on my chart from university. They don't let me screenshot anything. They said for security.
That's okay. So you're
Whatever.
saying Wednesday, the 21st?
Yes.
All right. So are you able to schedule an appointment with her on Thursday or Friday, the 22nd or 23rd?
I can.
No.
call.
I'm talking to him.
Oh, okay.
So, Your Honor, you wanted her to have outpatient treatment, is that correct?
Yes.
So I would actually have to submit a transfer to a separate section in our office, and that would be entirely based upon what they can do.
Okay. But before, so who would she? I want to make sure she reports and gives proof of the hospitalization.
Correct.
So can she report on the 22nd or 23rd?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with bond conditions. I want to continue with the random drug and alcohol testing. There is going to be outpatient treatment. And I'll ask that fees are waived since she has these medical issues.
Mhm.
And she is to report with proof of hospitalization and medical diagnosis
Oh, I was just want to make sure it was going
and treatment no later than February 22nd. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right. Is there anything else she's going to need with you all?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you so much for zooming in.
Yes, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. So, Miss Moy, who brought you down here today?
My husband's mom.
No, there was a guy in court that you were hugged up with. Who was
My
that?
husband.
All right. So if he were drug tested, what would his results be? And let me just tell you, I'm not even asking.
Probably the same as mine.
All right. So this is the thing. You cannot be using drugs and be with a person who's using drugs. What's his name?
Probably
Cody what?
good at
You don't know his last name?
good at all. I don't know how to say it. I'm not.
No.
Uh-oh. Tattoo mystery unlocked. The name on her face doesn't even match her husband's last name. This is where the courtroom turns into a reality show. Question for you. Would you ever get someone's name permanently inked on your body?
I mean, you should know your boyfriend's or husband's last name.
Guerrero.
Is he in the hallway?
Mhm.
Have him come in. Could somebody call Cody to come in, please? Where are your parents?
They're not in the picture.
Do you have any family?
Um,
Oh, you know what? His name is on your face. Turn to the side. Let me see what it
no,
says.
it's not
Cody,
Banks.
is that his name?
No, that's not his last name.
Well, who is Cody Banks?
That's just what I got on my face. It's not his last name.
Okay. All right. What's your last name
Hello,
and your first name?
Cody.
And who's Cody Banks? All right. So you Cody Guerrero and Cody Banks.
It's just a nickname.
You didn't know his nickname?
Well, I saw my face.
No, I mean, I asked you who that was. I asked you if that's the same person. You
Yeah.
said you don't know. All right. And there's Sue. So your mother is the person who brought you both down here today and brought you all both from where?
My grandma.
All right. So you all are living with your grandmother?
Yeah, she has a house in the back. Yeah, we stay.
All right. I'm sure your grandmother doesn't want people living in with her who are using. So this is what's going to end up happening. And I want you to listen to me very carefully. If you need a place to stay, it's not going to be with him. I'm ordering no contact with Cody Guerrero or Cody Banks. And let me just tell you what the reason why I'm doing.
This is crucial. The judge is separating her from Cody, saying two people deep in addiction can't help each other. That's actually rooted in addiction recovery science. Codependency can derail treatment. Smart move or too invasive?
On that. He's using, he's not under any type of jurisdiction of the court, so he can continue to use if he so choose. I don't recommend doing that because I don't think you want your grandmother or your mom to have to identify your body. You need to go somewhere and get into treatment. And whose name is over your eyebrow?
It's Vanessa.
Vanessa what?
Vanessa.
Finessing? What are you finessing?
Everything.
All right. Not doing a good job, but okay. So here's the thing. You are not allowed to live with him. He's in the throes of his addiction. You're in the throes of your addiction. And two people who are in the throes of their addiction cannot help each other. Because if you try to stop using, which you're going to have to, guess what? If he's using, you're going to want to use. And if you try to stop using and she wants to use, you're going to use because you're together. So you're not allowed to live with him anymore. You understand?
Mhm.
So there's Haven for Hope, there's Salvation Army. They actually have a great women's program as well. And you can try Lifetime Recovery. And I'll add on here a referral to Lifetime Recovery. But you should not be with him. And do you have employment?
No, I received Social Security.
For what?
Schizophrenia.
I'm sorry, for what?
Schizophrenia.
All right. So you should not be coming down with her for this. You understand? And you all shouldn't be dragging your mother and your grandmother into this. All right. And you don't want anybody to have to identify your body because the last time you use may be the last time you use. And don't be going to hospitals and doctors to try and get medications when you really shouldn't be getting medications. Do not doctor shop, because when you doctor shop, if one of those doctors, for example, forgets to put something in a system or something breaks down with communication, another doctor could prescribe you something that could cause you to have your life ended. You understand?
Yes.
So I'm going to email Stephen Avena and I'm going to tell him to add no contact with Cody Guerrero, Cody Banks, and a referral to Lifetime Recovery. And just as a side note, when you're doing tattoos of people's names on your body, there are only two safe choices. Your mom, because usually people's moms love them and they're always going to be there for them and children. If you end up leaving him, guess what? Your boyfriend going to be asking, who is Cody Banks? You may be able to slide a little bit because Cody Banks is the name of a Nickelodeon show, but otherwise you're not going to be able to slide. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. Make sure you report to pretrial services.
Is my other court date reset?
No, it's the same.
So for today?
Ms. Ferguson, if you can make sure she has a reset form so she'll know when to come back to this court, but you're going to pretrial services on February 22nd.
Yes.
And then you have a different date to come back here, okay?
Okay.
All right. And make sure next time you come in, tops need to be able to cover the stuff.
Drama alert. The state just asked for bond forfeiture because she didn't show up on time. That means she could lose her freedom instantly. Imagine one missed court date and boom, you're sitting in jail. Do you think that's fair?
Stomach, okay? All right. Good luck to you. All right. And could you make an announcement for Haley Lauren Moy? Court is calling 2024 CR 1853 and 2024 CR 1854, State of Texas versus Haley Moy. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Robert Gear for defendant Haley Moy, judge, and we are not ready as my client is not present.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:07 a.m. Your client did not answer the docket. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, there's no one under that new policy.
All right, do you have any idea where your client is?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Your Honor, the state would respectfully request a bond forfeiture.
All right, that will be granted in each cause number. Your client will be remanded without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider. And for the record, the court will also note that there is a second violation report as well due to non-compliance. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Mr. Guyer, where are you on discovery?
I believe we've gotten all the discovery, Judge.
All right, did you receive an offer?
Yes, we did. I conferred with the state this morning. This was our first setting, and we did receive an offer, which I've gone over with my client.
All right, how old are you?
26.
All right, so we are coming back on, Norma, set this for October 31st for a plea deadline date. And counsel, if you wish to come back sooner than that, we can come back sooner than that.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, do you anticipate your client making bond?
I don't think so.
All right,
Can it
You'll
be
be back.
lower?
I'm sorry, what?
Can my bond be lower? Or-
Actually, you have a BF and a remand without bond because you didn't show up for court. So your attorney will need to set a motion and the court will hear it.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, and this is a plea to 2 cases.
Yes, Your Honor.
Each time you come before me, you have more and more tattoos. Yeah. Oh. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1853, 2024 CR 008966, State of Texas versus Haley Lauren Moy. Moy, could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Antonio Ariola.
Defense?
Robert Gear, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Moy?
This one.
Ms. Moore, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 53, you're charged with evading arrest, detention, vehicle. And the cause number ending in 66, and count 1, you're charged with prohibited substance or item in a correctional facility. That's a 3rd-degree felony. The evading in a vehicle is also a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment in each of those cause numbers anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the plea bargaining pages?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 53, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 008966. The state will take in consideration 2024 CR 1854, and there's to be restitution, if any, to Samuel Brazier, Brazier, and the cause number ending in 66. According to the plea, state is proceeding on count one. Punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 1853. The state will take in consideration 2024 CR 1854. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreements in each cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State in each cause number, do you have any evidence?
Yes, Judge, state offers State's Exhibit 1 with attachments under each cause number.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same for sufficiency.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, in each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we just respectfully request that the court follow the agreement with the state.
All right. What the court will do is in the cause number 2024 CR 008966, court will find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 1853. I'll take in consideration 2024 CR 1854, and I'll ask for the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community doesn't.
The judge is dropping some hard truths here, telling her she's only 26 and still has time to turn her life around. Classic moment where the gavel isn't just about punishment, it's about hope. Do you think tough love in court actually works?
Increase the time that you're in custody, but maybe that can help you when you're released. And then in cause number 2024 CR 1853, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 008966. Taking consideration 2024 CR 1854, and there's to be restitution, if any, to Samuel Brazier. And I'll also request the therapeutic community. Again, the therapeutic community is there to help you if you have any type of mental health issues or medical issues. So if you serve 4 years, they won't keep you because you haven't completed the therapeutic community. I do not have jurisdiction to force them to let you be in the program or to order them to place you in the program, but I think it's something that you probably need, okay? We can go off the record. How old are you?
26.
All right, you're 26. You still can turn your life around. When you were young, what did you want to be when you were thinking about what you could be in this world? Oh, what is it?
I wouldn't.
Okay, I hope it's not. Were you around when Julia Roberts had her movie out?
No.
All right, I'm just saying that because there were some people in my school, they're like, oh, I'm going to be Julia Roberts. And I was like, that is a crazy idea. But here's the thing. What I'm telling you is you still have a chance. You're not in the twilight of your life. I'm in the twilight of my life. So you still have more of your life in front of you than behind you. So you're going to have to make some changes. And this whole thing with inserting drugs and going to the jail with it, you could have died. And then the person who, this is how far addiction will take you, right? The person who got, had vomiting and everything, they actually took some of that drugs from you. That's what they're saying, that you uninserted it and gave them some and they got sick. So when you think about that, when you get clean and sober, you're just going to be like, who would do that, right? So when you go to prison, if I'm still here, when you get out of prison, if you need a place to stay, of course, you won't be staying with me, but if you need housing or you need help with drugs or whatever, you can come back here and I will pick up the phone and find a place for you, okay?
Okay.
And do not put any more tattoos on your face, okay?
And don't get involved with anybody who wants you to put their name on your face. You understand?